Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to take the night sky photos with your iPhone. So every single iPhone which as Pro has this option, which is the 30 seconds long exposure photo in your phone. So at first open the camera up, and here now I'm going to turn off my lights. Now I'm going to lower the brightness level so that you can see anything on the screen. And now, here as you can see, they have some settings in our camera app. It doesn't matter. We have to click this moon icon to turn on the night mode. And apart we have to hold the finger on this moon icon. Here, as you can see, they have, wait a moment, my brightness is going down. Here, as you can see, they have night mode, max. Tap on this max, and here as you can see we have max 30 seconds. Here now I do recommend to use a tripod to place your iPhone still. If you don't place your iPhone still, like I do have here my desk for example, you can't take the 30 seconds max night mode. You can't use it. You will just have 5 seconds. So buy yourself a stand, place your iPhone on a stand, select here a max 30 seconds night mode and turn off the flash. Now for example, let me take a photo of this flower here. Here we have, as you can see, 3 seconds. But you'll see here 30 seconds when you have a tripod. This is our photo taken in the low light environment, and that's how it works. Just use a tripod. The tripod is the key to take the best photos. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And goodbye.